Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about MOTS peptide. MOTS is used for weight loss because it improves your overall metabolism and also give you good energy. So MOTS is the mitochondrial derived peptide composed of 16 amino acids. This peptide regulates the metabolic function in our body and it's a very important regulator for energy balance. It helps turn glucose into usable energy and it's associated with amino acid, carbohydrate and lipid metabolism. So all this process and converting all this stuff into energy happens in mitochondria, and MOTS improves that process. MOTS increases the glucose muscle uptake without stimulating the insulin production, which is a similar process that happens when you work out. So when you exercise, lift weight, it overall increases your glucose muscle uptake without stimulating insulin production. So MOTS basically mimics exercise. Some of the common benefits of MOTS are it helps you lose weight, it improves your glucose metabolism, improves your insulin sensitivity, and improves and regulate the mitochondrial energy production. So it improves your overall energy. So it's a perfect peptide for improving your energy, losing weight, and improving your metabolism. Subscribe for more videos.